What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. This channel is called Hotel Delta, bringing you all things two wheels with an emphasis in Harley Davidsons. And I just happen to have a really good collection of CVOs. We're going to take a look at 3 or 4 of them, everything going back from an 06 all the way up to a brand new one, just the details in them, the cool paint. Have any questions? Comment below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next ride. Alright guys, so what we got here is a 2014 CVO, and depending on who you talk to, CVO Deluxe. I've heard some guys call it a Convertible. To me it's a Deluxe. Just pretty cool to see the amounts of chrome on the paint. Don't see these every day. And man, back then they were overboard with the paint, but man, just the detail. Painted swing arm and frame. Originally came with a 110 motor. Very comfortable bike. And again, with these, it's all about the paint. Other bike I'm going to show you is a 2006 CVO FatBoy. One of the first years they put the 110 in it. Just great details on these older CVOs. Let's go check out the FatBoy. Little bonus CVO Breakout, Pro Street Breakout. Pretty cool little bike. This is the bike I was talking about, 2006 FatBoy. One of the cooler paints you'll ever see. It's like a purple, red, a little bit of tribal flame. But then that is not paint, that's actually the raw metal underneath, which is pretty cool. It's just clear coated over. But it is also notorious for doing things like this. Occasionally we'll see it rust underneath, so that's what you always want to check for when you're going to buy one of these bikes. It's almost impossible to keep completely out, but again, one of the first, actually I guess it's got a 103 in it, pre-110, one of the first 103s they started putting in these things. Good detail, again, chromed out controls. And really on these older CVOs, man, it's really about the paint. Chromed out front end, great wheels on this thing. Obviously this thing hasn't been detailed, it'll shine up nice. It was here, about a year ago. This guy bought this from us. Nice D&D pipe. Guys, have any questions, hit me up below. Please like and subscribe. Just like showing you guys some of the cooler bikes that we get to see working at the Harley Davidson dealership. This is not a bike you see every day. A couple more CVOs, and one we just got in. Blue Steel Street Glide. I know I've shown you guys one of these before, but this is something they've never done, is this scorch chrome. And it is hard to give it justice. It actually looks pretty good with the lights hitting it. It's almost like a gold in person. And they put it throughout this bike. All about the premium finishes on the CVOs, everything from the badging. Great wheels, front end color. If you can see, the gold is actually in the wheel, on the spokes. No shortage on details, pretty cool. Guys, again, have any questions, hit me up below. Please like and subscribe. Everybody ride safe.